Welcome to our Mendix online training video. We are excited to guide you through the world of low-code application development. Mendix is a leading low-code platform for building web and mobile applications quickly, with minimal hand coding. It simplifies the software development process, making it accessible to both professional developers and business users. Why choose Mendix? It's a smart decision for a successful IT career. As a leading low-code platform, it allows for fast application creation with minimal coding, meeting the growing demand for Mendix professionals globally. Key features of Mendix include building applications with drag-and-drop components, which makes development faster and easier. No advanced programming skills are required, making it perfect for beginners and business analysts. The benefits of a Mendix course include quick entry into the tech field and career growth in the IT industry. As a low-code platform, it reduces the need for deep programming knowledge, making it ideal for beginners and non-technical professionals. Mendix offers various career paths, such as a Mendix developer who designs, develops, and deploys applications using visual models, and a business analyst who translates business requirements into technical solutions. In conclusion, a Mendix course is a smart, future-focused decision for building a strong IT career. Its fast development and beginner-friendly approach provide excellent opportunities, equipping you with highly valued skills. For more information, please contact us at 9,951,609,609 or visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com. Thank you for your attention. We hope this video has been informative.